2016 Jaguar F-Type S Coupe. Manual specifications: vehicle type, front engine, rear-wheel drive, 2-passenger, 2-door coupe. Price as tested, $89,895. Base price, $78,295. Engine type, supercharged and intercooled DOHC 24-valve V6, aluminum block and heads, direct fuel injection. Displacement, 183 cubic in, 2995 cc. Power, 380 HP at 6500 RPM. Torque, 339 pounds-4 at 3500 RPM. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Dimensions: wheelbase, 103.2 in length, 176.0 in width, 75.7 in height, 51.6 in passenger volume, 52 cubic feet cargo volume, 11 cubic feet curb weight, 3782 pounds. C/D test results: 0 to 60 miles per hour, 4.9 seconds. 0 to 100 miles per hour, 12.0 seconds. 0 to 120 miles per hour, 17.4 seconds. 0 to 150 miles per hour, 32.3 seconds. Rolling start, 5 to 60 mph, 5.7 seconds. Top gear, 30 to 50 mph, 8.7 seconds. Top gear, 50 to 70 mph, 7.3 seconds. Standing 1/4 mile, 13.4 seconds at 105 miles per hour. Top speed. Governor Limited, MFRZSD 171 miles per hour. Braking, 70 to 0 mph, 149 feet. Road holding, 304 Dia. Skid pad, 0.98 grams. Fuel economy, EPA. City/highway driving, 15 over 24 miles per gallon. C/D observed, 19 miles per gallon.